from the earth.
Like a little chicken breaking out of an egg.
Hatch, Dally Joe, hatch! 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 Oh, look, she's got a leg out, everybody! Look at you. You're done hatched.
It's so cute.
Oh, look at that adorable little girl. Proper fishing gear right there. Shorts, skates, t-shirt. Serious fisherman. His natural habitat. Watch his stealth. Watch his game.
See my game.
Dally Joe. Did you get one in there? Yeah. Look at him. He's poking with a stick. Talakay, the goal is to get the fish off the hook.
I'm trying to, it keeps on spinning.
Grab him.
It won't stop spinning.
Just grab him. What are you going to do? Just put him in the bucket?
Yeah?
And then how are you going to fish again? Do you have a plan after that?
Wait, put the pole down.
You're just going to tip him off your hook?
Get it off my hook. Go down.
You need to grab the fish.
No, I don't.
Touch the fish.
No. Touched it. I'm being nice to you, fishy. I'm trying to get you off the hook. Go off the hook.
You need to grab him so you can pull the hook out. You would just grab him and pick him off. He'd be done by now.
I'm trying to get him off the hook. It's stuck on it because of that little hook.
Grab the fish.
No.
Tala, there you go. And oh, you did it! Yay!
That's icky.
Nice job. Go, Rika, go. What do you have? Oh my goodness, you got a fish.
A big one.
Yeah, pull him up over.
Mom, can I touch it? Can I
No,
get it off?
she can help.
No, I want to do it.
She has to hold it. That's a big one.
Ow.
Yep, you gotta go from the top down. Good job.
His fin is up.
Nice job, right? All right, are you gonna put him in the bucket? Yeah.
Yes.
You got a lot in there.
Any of the bullheads?
There you go.
Okay,
Good
good.
job. Today we are working on some summer air conditioning. We're gonna give him a haircut. Right, Grit? Yep. It's good. It's good. You guys having a water balloon fight? This is what happens when you have amazing people at the RV park. You have community water fights. Now we're picking up all the trash. Everybody's freezing. How was the water fight, y'all?
Good! I didn't even get hit.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you did. You got hit by me and him.
There's our spread. plan was made, you and me.
Yeah, the rest of these verses aren't terribly familiar, except for the next one. I roamed and rambled, I followed my footsteps.
Go! Woo! All the way to the top.
Yeah! Now my turn.
Still got it.
I'm coming next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Daddy, it's like
Great. Try that bar going across there, that T.
Up and down.
Good job.
What?
Go, go, go. Pull yourself. Good job.
Nice job. Do victory. Last day. We're packing up. We got the track chair loaded. Little one just zoomed off in her other chair, but we're gonna throw it in there in just a minute. We got everything packed up and looking good. Hopefully we'll be able to find everything. That's the key. The pickup's hooked up. Got all that done. The house is straightened up. We just have a few dishes to do. Filled up our tanks, so we figured out how full we can get them. I'm excited to show you this later. This is gonna be a washing station that Casey created, and the girls will be able to pull up their chairs and wash. We weren't able to use that this time because it's not quite completed, but we're gonna head down to the beach for just a few more minutes, enjoy the last of our adventure here at Schroder Park, and just take it as it comes.